Hey, check it out. I'm starting my winter sowing here. I have 6 bottles right here. I don't quite know what I'm going to put in them just yet, but let me show you what I did. Some of these I put a little hole in. Trust me, I'm going to put the top on this one and this one and this one and this one too. This one I didn't put a hole in. I'm just trying something. I'm trying limited ventilation, you know, because when I put it outside in the weather, I don't want it to flood. But on the bottom, I do have like 2 drainage holes. There's one right there, and trust me, there's one on the other side. You will see that. And there's the other. I just kind of slit the top open just enough so I can put some dirt inside. Some people open these up further and then tape it. I may do that if need be, but I'm trying to minimalize the way I'm doing this. So as you see, I just kind of slit it, and that's it. And I'm going to put these outside in the weather. I have a whole container full of seeds here, and again, pardon the mess. This is really impromptu what I'm doing here. It's late night, and I don't know, I was bored, missing my Feodora, and keep myself busy with some gardening. Okay, the first one we have here is this pink brandy wine. Sing it with me. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the top off this. Put a few seeds in. 1, that's 2, that's 3, 4. Alright, looking good. Alright, I went in and labeled this up. Pink brandy wines. Now I'm going to go ahead and set these up too. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to tomorrow. And I'm going to show you how I got these things set up. Hey you. Alright, so it's the next morning. Look at that sun. Gorgeous. Hey Olive. And these are the... He wants to go in. Alright, go ahead. It is cold out here. I don't blame you. Look at me. Good grief. And these are the 6 container gardening containers I did. And as you see here, I actually put labels inside of them. And I just brought these out about 5 minutes ago. And as you can see, they're already starting to get a nice little greenhouse steam going on inside there. So let me tell you what I have going on. Of course, this is the pink brandy wine. Sing along with me. This is the pink pounder tomatoes right there. I never got those successfully to grow yet, so you know, we'll see what goes on this season. This is cabbage. Now I know cabbage gets really big, but I have about 3 in there, and as they get larger I'll separate them, but that's cabbage. This is one of my favorites. I have black trim tomatoes in this one here. This is some lettuce. So I have a bunch of lettuce going on in there. And these here are ghost peppers. These seeds were sent to me from a beautiful lady in Hawaii. She sent me a wonderful little care package for me and my Feodora, and I finally got around to getting these peppers down. But that's it. There's going to be many more out here, and I'm going to put these in milk crates because here in Virginia we get these horrible windstorms that'll take it and just sling it way out there. But with a milk crate, it should give it a little more weight, and you know, it shouldn't be blown around. As a matter of fact, there's one right there. So there you have it. And I have this from the corner that shouldn't go anywhere just yet. But yep, that's it. So like I said, I'm gonna do many more of these, so you're gonna see a lot more coming from me here in season 3 of Garden of Feodora. And as always, let's look into the sun. Peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.